Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC, and in today's video I will show you how to install Google Chrome browser on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your Microsoft Edge browser. Open up your Edge browser. Then after you open up your Edge browser, next thing you want to do is to come to the search right here, and what you want to do is to type in Google. Go ahead and type in Google Chrome, install, hit enter. It's going to take you to different results, right? The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and continue to scroll down and until you get to this part right here. Go ahead and click on here. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on download Chrome. Now your preset has been downloaded right here. Allow the presets to download completely from the top right here. So after a successful download, go ahead and minimize your browser. And the next thing you want to do is to open up a folder. I'm going to open up my folder right here. Then go ahead and navigate to your download folder. Then you have your Chrome setup right here. What you want to do is to click on the Chrome setup and then press enter key on your Windows PC. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on yes. So after a successful installation, this is going to pop up right here. You can decide to sign into your Chrome browser, or better still, you can come down below right here and click on don't sign in. And then here we go. Set your default browser, set Chrome. So it's going to take you right here. Set your default browser so you can decide to make your Chrome your default browser. And you are done. And then you have your Chrome browser successfully installed right here. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.